Hey guys, it's Diana. Welcome to my video on making your own colored Wink of Stella. If you don't know what Wink of Stella is, here's my little Stella girl. Okay, it's mostly just a glitter brush, so it just adds sparkle. But I'm going to show you real quick how to make colored Stella. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's sparkly. Can you kind of see the sparkles? I don't know if you can see that or not, but all of this is all sparkly. We've made all of that sparkle. So let me show you how I did this, okay? So first of all, you're going to start with your card base. Let me move this stuff out of the way a little bit. So start with the regular card base, okay? 8.5, cut it 5.5, so fold it so it's 5.5 by 4 1/4, your regular card size. I have got a little piece of fresh Freesia, okay? So this is, I wanted to leave about 1/4 inch on each side. So that would be 5, okay? So 5, yeah, I think I left a little bit more than that. 1/4 inch on each side, yes. So it would be 5 by 3 3/4. And then this piece, I just wanted to have a little bit of a border on there. So this piece is 4 3/4 by 3.5. Okay, I'll put the measurements down below. Here's the trick to making this really cool card. Okay, so just take out your middle piece, so our fresh Freesia piece, and I'm just going to use my little take a pick tool here and some dots that I got in one of my paper pumpkins. So I'm just going to pick that up, and I'm just going to stick a little dot here. I tried it with 1 dot. It does need like 2 little dots. All this is going to do is keep our paper from slipping. Just use that to poke those off. Everyone needs a take a pick tool. Okay, so then that's just what I'm going to use to hold this down. So kind of put it where you want it, center it up. That's just going to add just a little tiny bit of adhesive. I don't know what that is, but a little bit of adhesive there to hold it in place. So then I'm going to use my Stays On, or my Memento, and I'm going to use hand penned. Okay, and we're going to use this big one here. So let me set that aside. I've already got it on my block here. Okay, so just take your Memento. Sorry about the shadows. My lighting's not very good today for some reason. I'm kind of a novice at this. And because these are photopolymer, I do have a piece of foam. This red piece is a piece of craft foam there. Oh, hold on just a second. That's a piece of craft foam, so I can get a nice good stamp. And you're just going to kind of wiggle this one back and forth because you've got that extra layer, but you're going to cover it up anyway, so it's not going to make a big deal of difference. So just ink that up again, put it down here in this corner. Firm, even pressure. Okay, set that aside to clean off. I'm also, while I've got my Memento pad out, I'm just going to go ahead and stamp the greeting here. Feel better, friend. Get that down. Okay, now I can put this pad away. But now here's the fun part. So what you're going to do is take one of your little small blocks. This is the smallest block that we have at Stampin' Up. And I'm just going to take the polished pink and just going to tap my block in the polished pink to get a little bit of ink on it. And then here's the magic. Just use your Stella and just pull the color right off of your block. This is also a really cool way to watercolor. So if you could use like a water painter, an aqua painter. I like to start in the middle and work my way out because that's where it's going to be the darkest. Okay, so just move your way around, picking up color, and then just work your way kind of out. like that. And then just kind of pull that off, pull the color off on your pad here. When you're done, set that, let's just clean this out. I'm going to use that same block. I'm just going to use my little chamois here. Clean that block. I'm not going to do it all because you guys get the idea of how to do that. And then we'll take the fresh Freesia. Do the same thing, same marker. Okay, just do the little guys here. Isn't this easy? Yeah, so now you can have your own colored Stella. Stella in every color. Who wouldn't want Stella in every color? Okay, so you get the idea. You also do it with the green. So on this one, I've used, of course, the fresh Freesia, the polished pink, and then I used soft Succulent. Those are all in the same group of in colors. So those are the 3 colors that I used. Well, here's the magic. So after you've gotten everything colored, what you're going to do is just gently pull that up from those dots. Okay. Use your favorite adhesive or more of those dots to place in the corners here to glue this down. Yeah, you get so many of these with their paper pumpkins every month, so might as well use them up. So then just poke those off. Like I said, I would usually use liquid glue, but just so you can see, you can use these dots that come in your paper pumpkin. And then what I'm going to do is just kind of center this, so it's going to kind of cover up those corners right there where it didn't kind of stamp nicely. And then we'll layer this on top, and you'll never be able to tell that it didn't stamp all the way to the edge because we had that layered. How easy is that? Kind of fun, huh? I know this is going to be a really short video, but it's really cool. I wanted to show you how to do that, that technique. Come on, little guy. He was really stuck. Get off there. Paper. This take-a-pick tool is necessary for that. So then, once you get that done, you're just going to line this up, and it lines right up with what you stamped. Isn't that cool? I know. And then you've got your glitter, maybe not. Okay, guys, here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed that. It's really easy and fun. I'll put the measurements down below so you guys can make a whole bunch more of these. And you can go to my website and order Stella online. And happy stamping, guys. Have fun. Bye.